Welcome back to Home Food Best Food. This video is about kneading the dough for roti, paratha or chapati. Proper kneading of the dough builds up gluten, and this gluten acts as a glue and gives elasticity to the dough so that they can be rolled out easily. So here I'm using 3 cups of whole wheat flour and adding little water at a time and mixing the flour. You can see I'm just taking a fistful of water. If you're an expert, then you can pour in more water. But if you're a beginner, then add just a fistful of water and mix the dough so that this will prevent you from adding excess water into the dough. Now you can see most of the dough is mixed. So separate the mixed dough from the dry part and add little water to the dry part and mix in. Now you can see most of the dough has come together, but still it's a bit dry. From outside it has a dry flour, so we're going to sprinkle some more water and mix the dough together. Now that the entire dough has come together, we're going to punch the dough onto the bowl as shown in the video. And then we're going to make some holes with the fingers. They're called as dough wells. Now we're going to add some water onto all the wells. And this is the key step that's going to help you reduce your kneading time. This is going to make the dough very soft and smooth. Let it sit at the countertop for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5-10 minutes, we're going to pick all the dough. You're going to put it on the rolling surface. Dip your hands in water and start punching the dough. Make a fist and then punch the dough down using your fist as shown. Pick up the dough again. Wet your hands again and start punching the dough. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. Once you're done with the kneading, roll the dough into a ball. Tuck the dough in. Place the dough inside an airtight box and let it sit on the countertop for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you will see that your dough is super soft and ready to roll. Now if you poke your finger at this step, the dough is going to bounce back. Here I've used only water and flour to mix the dough, but if you prefer to add salt and oil, you can also add it. To freeze this dough, I'm going to divide the dough into equal parts. Now we are going to cover this dough with a cling wrap. Take each part separately and cover it. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. Once you're done, place it in the ziplock and keep it in the freezer and use it as and when required. You can thaw it outside at the countertop or you can thaw it in the fridge previous night. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.